In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add experience in a LinkedIn profile. So after watching this video, you are able to add experience your LinkedIn profile. I promise you. So I recommend you for don't skip in a second. If you skip in a second, you don't understand properly. So without any time wasted, let's get started. First, you can see this is my LinkedIn profile. So now I'm going on this icon. You can see me. Just click on here, then view profile. So this is my own profile. I am an SEO expert and content creator. If you need SEO service for your website and business, please message me. Then you can see this is open to add profile section, enhance profile. Just click on add profile section. Then you can see here the type core recommended additional. So I click on core, then add education, add position, add service. So just click on add position. Then type your job title here. So I type content creator. So employment type here are type part-time, full-time, freelance, contract, internship, and your position. So I type part-time because I create content part-time because I have a full-time job as a level assistant on a textile division. So first of all, you need to turn off this section because I recommend you for turn off, but if you turn on to notify your network of key profile changes and work anniversaries, update can take 2 hours. So I can off this section. Now type of company name. So I type YouTube. Now type of location. So type my location Dhaka, Bangladesh. You can select your preference as you wish. So location type on-site, hybrid, remote. So I work on remotely because when I create a video from Dhaka, I publish on my channel on YouTube, but my audience are worldwide. This is watch, and I am currently working in this role. So starting, if you want to add starting month, then maybe March years 23. Then I'm if you turn off this here, you need to select end of date. So I currently work on here, then I say tick mark this one, then end current position. So I unmark this old position. So here you need to type some description. So this is example only. I created this video only for you. So this is example purpose at this experience. After I finish this video, I deleted this experience because I don't need to add this experience on my profile because I have already lots of skill add here, experience add here. So just profile handle. If you want to some or remove some text, so I'm not interested, add skill. So here is a paid SEO search engine optimization, so WordPress, and then any others you want to add here. So just click on media. If you want to add some proof and some photos, this is possible. Just click on here. Then here are the two type of photo you are able to add here. Add a link, add media. If you click on media, it's probably input from your gallery. Okay, this one from your, but I'm not interested to add this one. Then just click on save. Okay, my dear friends, these work are already done. So if you click on post, this your friends and your audience will notify this position. So I'm not interested here, just skip. Did you find this job on LinkedIn? So no, just save. So this is a method you can add experience to your LinkedIn profile. This is a very easy way. I think you are able to do this work perfectly. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.